Hey everyone, welcome back to a new episode on How Logical. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to activate Capital One credit card account online. Follow all the steps and watch this video till the end and make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you won't miss any upcoming videos from our channel. Now let's get into the video. Firstly, open up any web browser on a PC and there search for Activate Capital One card. And from the search result, tap on the very first link and then you will taken to this page. Now from here, tap on this Activate New Card Online button. Now from here, tap on Sign In and Activate button. And once you tap on it, you will be landed to its login page. Now type in your username and password of your account. And once you're done with it, tap on Sign In button. And once you get logged into your account, you will directly taken to its card activation page. And there you have to type in your card number and your CVV number. And then you will be able to activate your Capital One credit card account. Now that was a quick and easy video on how to activate your Capital One credit card account online. Hope you liked and found this video helpful. If you did, then don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. That's gonna be all for this video and I will see you in the next one.